Scorp Basic Tutorial. For first use, please fully charge the gimbal. Please ensure all the 3 axes are unlocked. Long press the power button to turn it on. Now the left upper corner of screen will show the current battery level, camera connection status, and Bluetooth connection status. The current on-screen menu is divided into motor power, follow speed, follow mode, and usage scenario. Swipe right to enter shooting parameters settings. Swipe left to enter joystick, gimbal, knob, and more settings. Swipe up to enter multi-function knob settings. Please adjust motor power again after change a different camera or lens. Move the 4-way joystick with a thumb to control the movement of the tilt and pan axis. Fully press the shutter button to record videos. Long press to take photos. Click the mode button. Switch pan follow PF and lock mode in turn. Switch to pan and tilt follow PTF by double-click the mode button. Switch to FPV, pan, tilt, and roll follow by triple-click the mode button. Recenter gimbal by double-click the trigger button. Switch to selfie mode by triple-click the trigger button. Long press trigger button to switch to pan and tilt follow, PTF. Now multi-function knob can control the roll axis. Click the knob function switching button to switch to control tilt axis. Click the knob function switching button again to switch to control pan axis. Install the FeiyuTech focus motor to control the follow focus and zoom. Click the knob function switching button. The multi-function knobs function will switch among control tilt, pan, and roll axis. Long press knob function switching button can also switch easily among electric follow focus, focus motor, and control axis. Double-click the power button. The gimbal enters sleep mode. In sleep mode, click the power button to wake up the gimbal quickly. The default follow mode is pan follow PF. In the pan follow PF mode, only the pan axis follows the movement of user's hand, but the tilt and roll axis does not. Click to switch to pan and tilt follow, PTF. In the pan and tilt follow PTF mode, both the pan and tilt axis follow the movement of user's hand, but the roll axis does not. And click to switch to FPV mode. In FPV mode, all 3 axes follow the movement of user's hand. Click to switch to lock mode. In the lock mode, the 3 axes do not move. Gimbal keeps the direction of the camera fixed. Click to switch to flash follow FFW mode. In the flash follow FFW mode, all 3 axes follow the movement of user's hand, and the follow speed will obviously increase, which is more suitable for shooting moving objects. All the above is the content of basic tutorial. Thank you for watching.